Let me show you how to create unlimited Stickman animation with AI for free. Ever wonder how those simple Stickman videos are pulling in millions of views and thousands of subscribers in just a few months? They look simple, but they're masterclasses in engagement. The best part? You don't need to be an animator and you don't need a budget. Today, I'm showing you the exact workflow to create your own professional Stickman animation using 100% free AI tools. First, we need a structure. Use the master prompt I've provided in the description to turn a simple idea into a fully scripted, scene-by-scene storyboard. This handles your narrative flow so you don't have to guess what happens next. But before then, you'll need a video title and script because that is what we're going to use to generate the animations. You can use Claude, Gemini, or ChatGPT to generate your script. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'll be using So let's imagine we don't have a video idea or script and we want to create a new one. I'll ask Gemini to generate them for me using this prompt, which I've added to the description for you to download. So open the prompts document file and copy the prompt titled Topics Generation Prompt. Paste it into Gemini and run. This will generate 5 viral topics for you to choose from. So I'm going to go with this topic. Now go back to your prompts file and copy the next prompt tagged Script Generation Prompt. Paste it into Gemini. Then go into this square bracket here that says Topic here and insert your video topic. Then press Enter. This will generate a 10-minute script for you. When your script is ready, go back to the prompts file and copy the next prompt titled Script Humanization Prompt. This prompt will transform your script, adding emotions and tone, making it sound more like a human talking instead of an AI. Now our final script is ready. Next, we focus on consistency, and we will do that using Gemini. By using a descriptive fixed character prompt, we ensure our Stickman remains the same in every single scene. Now head over to the prompts file and copy the next prompt tagged Image Generation Prompt. Then paste the copied prompt. Now go all the way down to the end of the prompt and you are going to find the square brackets labeled Paste Script here. Go ahead and paste your script and then hit Enter. This is going to generate image prompts based on your script you provided. When it is done generating, we will then go ahead to generate our images using the prompts which Gemini just created for us. We will generate our images one by copying every block of prompt and pasting it into Google Flow. Now we're going to head over to Google Flow and create an account if you don't have one. It's very simple, just use your Google account. Remember, all the links are in the description. Generate a new project. Before we generate any images, take note of these settings. Make sure they're exactly the same as mine. When that is done, you can then copy each block of prompt one by one, paste it in Flow, and hit Enter. Within few seconds, your first Stickman image will be generated. As you can see, our images are looking pretty solid. Do this for every other prompt till the very end. Make sure you don't skip any prompt because your prompts are in sync with your voiceover and video. Missing one block of prompt means your voiceover and video will not be synchronized.
Now, let's bring our generated images to life. Instead of complex software, we are still going to use Google Flow for the video. Go back to the prompt document file and copy the prompt tagged Video Generation Prompt. Paste it in Gemini. Then scroll to the top and copy the image prompts Gemini generated for us earlier. Paste them into the square bracket labeled Attach Generated Image Prompt here. Hit Enter. Now we have a full video prompt which we will be using to generate our video. Now, back to Google Flow. Take note of these settings again because we're changing them again. The first setting we used was for generating only images, while this new one is for generating the videos, so take note of that. Remember, we're still on the same project. Drag the very first image we generated into this pasteboard. We are going to do this sequentially from the very first image down to the last image. It must be in that sequence so we can sync them properly in our editing software. Simply drag your prompt text into the AI node, hit Run, and watch as Google Flow renders each transition into a smooth, cohesive video sequence. It handles the heavy lifting, saving you hours of manual editing. Remember, the first video prompt is for the first image we generated. The second video prompt is for the second image we generated. The third video prompt is for the third image we generated, and so on. Now, let's play our first generated video to see how Google Flow handled the generation. That looks great. When all these videos have been generated, download all of them. For the voice, we need something that sounds natural and motivating. Head to Google AI Studio. Select the Gemini 2.5 Pro Preview TTS model for high-fidelity text-to-speech. These are my settings. You can use a different voice if you want. Google AI Studio is a very powerful tool in my opinion, and I consider it more powerful than 11 Labs. To learn how to use it perfectly, check out the videos on my channel for the full tutorials. So, paste your script over here, select a professional voice, and add a style instruction for a warm and motivational tone. Hit run, and your audio will be ready within seconds or minutes depending on the length of your video. Click the download button over here, and you're ready for the final cut. Now, import your audio and videos into any editing software of your choice. I'm using Premiere Pro for this tutorial. Match your audio to your clips in your editing software of choice, and you're done. It's that easy. Now let's take a look at the Stickman animation we just created.
Imagine waking up tomorrow and every single person on Earth just stops spending money. No morning coffee run, no scrolling through Amazon at midnight, no filling up your gas tank, and definitely no clicking renew on your streaming apps. You just look at your bank account, lock your cards in a drawer, and decide to survive entirely on the random cans of soup in the back of your pantry.
All tools and websites are linked in the description. If you loved this video, then you'll definitely love the one showing right now on your screen.